Lisa Brody is a homeowner who regularly rescues old furniture and other items in order to give them new life. So we asked her where her favorite finds come from.
When looking for a piece of furniture to paint, I usually go to thrift shops or stores like Goodwill, and I love to paint children's furniture. So they usually have fun little lines and stuff, and so you can usually find them. And amazingly, they're usually in good shape because they were, when they were made, they were so well made that they had been through many children and could, go through many more. I usually will clean it first to just make sure all the dust is off of it, because usually with an older piece, they are dusty. Once I clean them, then I'll prime them, usually with a light colored primer. And then for this piece, I actually am going to paint it a royal blue color because it's for a little boy, and I want it to be something that even years after his parents change what his room is, it'll still be something that he can keep as a keepsake and even hand on down to his children. My plans are for this is to make it be all one color, and then come back and just, I believe on this edge of the chair, I'm gonna come back and just put some tiny little polka dots. And then after I get done with the dots, I'm going to go back and put the child's name across the back of the seat. You can use a polyurethane to cover it, which is usually a little bit thicker. With things that I know that children aren't going to be chewing on, you can actually even buy a spray clear finish.